So about 8 months ago I made this video called Back in the Water, where the Filipino government allowed us to surf again. Basically today is episode 2. Instead of the Filipino government, it's the South African government, so yeah. So the surf has been open for like 4 days or 5 days now, which didn't help much because there was no swell. But today there's swell. There's supposed to be like 8 feet swell, and no wind. There's like no wind. I'm so excited. I can't tell you how much. Actually, I can't tell you how much because I've been waiting for this for so long. I've completely cleaned my board. I removed the warm water wax. I put on the cold water wax. I sanded the board. I repaired the dings. I'm at the beach now and it's pretty dark. I kind of forgot how late it gets dark this time of year. The surf looks really clean. The wind, it's actually a light wind, it's offshore. Anyway, this is how prepared I am for today's surf. I've got my favorite surfboard in here, not the bigger one, the one I took to Surgal. I don't know if you can see, it's because it's pretty dark. I've got a crate with a towel, I've got my wetsuit, I've got this lock where I can lock my key in, I've got some water to take a shower with, and I've got cold water wax. Prepared for this. Not like the first day I came back. Came with the bigger board, forgot clean underwear, and I forgot cold water wax. But today, I'm prepared. Today we are going to my favorite spot here at home. Can't wait to surf this. Haven't surfed here in a while. Cold! Oh, I missed the Philippines! I missed the Philippines! Me. I got out now because, man, I'm freezing. I can't feel my hands, I can't feel my feet. My tolerance for the cold is not what it used to be. But anyway, it was good to be back out there.